Hi kids, here I am with another sound. Hope that you have been doing your practices at home. So let's learn another sound, and before that a short story. Tim and Tom were best friends. They used to do a lot of activities together. One day they decided to go and see a tennis match. When they entered the ground, they found it to be so green and beautiful. Soon the players arrived on the ground and the match started. The players would hit the ball and the racket would make the sound tuck, 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 tuck. The heads of the people in the crowd was going like this. Tuck, 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 tuck. Tim and Tom enjoyed the match so much. When they came home, they started singing, "When I watch the tennis match, my head goes ta-ta-ta. When I watch the tennis match, my head goes ta-ta-ta." So they enjoyed the tennis game so much and they pretended to be tennis players and started hitting an imaginary ball like this. Tuck, 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 tuck. So all of you must have guessed which sound we are going to learn today. The sound is T. The sound is T. Let's take out our magic pencil and write T. 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 And the action is T, 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 T. Keep practicing at home and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.